Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase staking account, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Coinbase website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on sign in to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click continue after entering your email. Next, input your password in the designated area. Make sure you double-check for any typing errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device for the authentication code. Enter the code in the appropriate field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Earn or Staking section on your dashboard. Click on this section to view available staking options. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Follow the prompts to begin the staking process. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your staking preferences and finalize the setup. You are now successfully logged into your Coinbase staking account. Enjoy managing your staking investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.